Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you how to lock your screen in Windows quickly. Locking your screen is a great way to keep your computer secure when you step away. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright, let's dive in. The fastest way to lock your screen by pressing Windows plus L on your keyboard. This instantly locks your screen and takes you to login screen. So I'm gonna press on Windows plus lock, and here you can see that it's being locked. So I'm gonna unlock my PC again. On the other hand, you can use Start menu to lock your Windows. First of all, you have to click on Start menu, and then you have to click on the profile icon. And here you can choose this option, lock. So I'm gonna again unlock my PC. You can also lock your screen by pressing Ctrl Alt and Delete button. And here you will see a blue screen. Normally you have to click on lock. It will also lock your PC. Now, if you want Windows to automatically lock after a period of inactivity, you can adjust the settings. Normally, you have to go on settings by clicking on Start menu and then selecting settings. After then, you have to click on accounts. So, I'm gonna click on accounts, and here you have to click on sign in options. Normally, you have to click on this drop box. Normally, you have to select it when PC wakes up from sleep. It will set up automatic locking after sleep. And that's it. Now you know how to lock your screen quickly and easily. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.